Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Direct Theme on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to activate the Direct Theme on the Skype app can be beneficial for reducing eye strain, especially when using the application in low-light environments. It can also help conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, so now tap on profile icon at the top left corner. And then look for settings option. Tap on it. Okay, so in this page, select appearance option. After that, activate the dark theme here. And then click apply. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate Dark Theme on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.